Gotta go get my nails done, y'all. It's your girl Jasmine Amani, and we are back with another vlog, y'all. I walked right in and was able to sit down, so no wait on a Saturday. Look at that. These things gotta get done. A mess.
Mới tan. Quên một bể bơi nó mới tan. Don't find more dollar for that, okay? Oh, you do the Instagram?
So we outside, cause yeah, my cousin it's her last weekend outside with the family.
Bitch, we outside tonight. Turn me up, bitch.
Yeah, but we outside Bolero. About to go in there. My little outfit or whatever. Trying to get my hair together. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting a new segment on my videos called The Armani Confessions, where I basically do like a confessional on my channel based off like the events in my video. So just to start this video off, this is my dad's side of the family, and my cousin is leaving for boot camp on Monday. So during the weekend, we basically, you know, went out, enjoyed her, showered her before she left, because my girl is going to be in North Korea after boot camp. So it's just like, but you know, we wish her the best of luck, and we just proud of her. So yeah, let's get into these confessionals. All night, Nick kept talking about how everybody was bowling. He claimed he was just throwing the ball down the aisle. But baby, you wasn't making nothing evil. You was getting gutter balls too. Yeah, I recorded him hitting some pins, but don't talk about Carla because, yeah, you wasn't doing good at all either.
you want to say something? Hold y'all glasses up.
Get your glasses.
Yeah.
Get your
Come on, Tito. You gotta say something good about your daughter.
No, she was gonna say nothing.
She got it.
You told her I gotta say something.
Up to it, girl. Oh, my girl. We ain't doing nothing. You look great.
Let Mom say something. Let Mom say something. Let Mom say something. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Let your mother talk. Stop playing with her. What you want to say, Mom?
I want to say wear your glasses high.
Yeah.
That's why I'm very proud of.
Okay.
She's growing with me. She is surpassing and exceeding in every area of life.
Y'all see the
And we
Gucci?
send her off with her
No, I ain't mean. I just seen the Gucci.
Don't do that.
I jazzed her. I jazzed her.
Watch out.
I lied. What you talking about? Bamboozle.
Y'all, so my cousin Tiana was basically late. The session was from 9:30 to 12. She didn't get there till 11:30. So Denise like, yeah, when she get here, everybody cursed her out. Got there, everybody all like, yeah, you late, boo. Nobody cursed her out. Nick like, oh, y'all fake. Y'all ain't curse her out. Y'all said we was going to curse her out. Y'all saying stuff and not doing it. Like, go ahead. And honestly, then it was like, what we about to do after? Baby, I wanted to go to bed. But you know, we was out with my girl celebrating, so I couldn't even do that.
Don't lie. No, why you lying? Everybody curse her out.
Are you outside?
Oh, y'all fake.
Sign for my cousin, yeah.
I know, baby.
She's late as fuck. It's 11:30.
Why you ain't curse her out like you said?
It's 11:30.
You a liar.
Run into everybody, 11:30.
Don't tell me that you gonna lie.
Oh, come on.
Say something real. Say something real.
Yes, say something
real.
real.
Say something. No. Say something real. Hey, I'm proud of Denise. I love where she going with her life, man. At the end of the day, man, we looking at a woman go somewhere and do new things, man.
Speak that shit.
Nah, for real.
Talk that
For real.
shit.
You
Talk
doing
that
something.
shit. Big shit.
I never knew you. I never.
See, really sized this man up throughout his whole speech, young. Like, best hype man ever.
Thought you'd do this, man.
Yeah, big
I
shit.
never thought you would. But you doing it. We proud of you. And we know you gonna make it through it. To Denise. 1, 2, 3, Denise. Cry.
This how the last round ended. Everybody gave up. I tried to finish mine out. I'm so rich, y'all. I'm riding in here.
What you doing?
I'm riding in here. I'm not driving my car.
Come on, let's get the ticket together.
Fuck no. Crazy. I'm just saying.
Let's do what we used to do back in the old days.
Eddie.
Let's go to the White House gates.
Oh, White House
House gates and hang on.
The White House, we ain't going there now.
He giving me so much light.
Alright, so y'all
So y'all, we had a lot of shenanigans going on yesterday, but today is Sunday. It's a new day, and me and my girls about to get some good eats.
yeah, good eats. I know what's going on with the good
So we
eats.
going to Kitchen Kocktails in DC. So I'm gonna just show y'all my experience and just basically like let y'all know how I like the food rated, the drinks, everything. I know everybody have mixed reviews on it, so y'all can get mine because I'm very truthful about my stuff. But me and Shagonda ended up going to Kitchen and Cocktails on Sunday. Boom, we always wanted to go there. I had never been to Kitchen and Cocktails, y'all, so finally went. Boom. Now it was so cold in there. When I say freezing, it was freezing.
It's freaking freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
In there, so I knew for a fact I wasn't getting no frozen drink. I had a jacket on and everything. The food is out. I got jerk chicken, black eyed peas, greens, and the cornbread is dry.
It does.
Cause mine is like cake.
Shut up. Pound cake.
What? Am I tripping?
It was like pound cake.
No, ma'am. So we ended up getting the wild berry lemon drop. It was good. I got it with Don Julio reposado. And then I got jerk chicken, black eyed peas, and greens. Now, what I can say was the jerk chicken was good, just wasn't real spicy. It was cool. The black eyed peas, though, they seasoned them to the max, like bomb. Those were so good. The greens was okay. I feel like they could have added more seasoning to them, but they was cool. And Shakana ended up getting the jerk chicken with a Caesar salad. But baby, the croutons was cornbread, and I knew it was cornbread because why them croutons so big? Okay. And then so I'm like, damn, I want some cornbread with my food. And she ended up getting the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese was good, but if it was basically like baked, like at the top, it would have been real good. But it was good. And I ended up getting the cornbread. Why the cornbread looked like pound cake? Like it was the texture of a cake. No, it should be different. But overall, my experience was cool. I enjoyed it.